Although we didn't work directly with Rhino, it was a pleasure nonetheless, because our contractor would ask for product, the product would come, it was easily taken off of the trucks, well packed and well identified. So in that respect, it was a delight working with Rhino. The actual selection of Rhino was done by Taylor Wimpey. However, before Taylor Wimpey got involved, we had looked at several other manufacturers, and when Taylor Wimpey came to us to take over the project, they gave us 3 others, and we selected Rhino simply for the solidity of the build, and Rhino could provide us exactly what we wanted, with the solidity we wanted, and that's why we chose it. I had 300 people telling me what they thought was best. The legislation changed after Grenfell, and because of that, the law changed and we had to have the decking changed to raise us from an EWS1 form that said A3 to A1. The only way to do that was to replace the decking. So this was a have to do rather than like to do. As such, the process was something we simply had to step through, and the contractor, who was KDD, did the job very well, and Rhino, who supplied the decking, did their job very well, so it was mostly painless. Relieving. As the job is now completed, there are a few issues that need to be addressed, but they are small. The decking is suitable, it works very well, and the only issue that I would say is that in the winter it's cold on bare feet. Surprisingly, this was a really easy process. The supply chain from manufacture through to fitting was a pleasure to have to deal with, because there was nothing to have to deal with. Couldn't have asked for a nicer company to work with, a nicer installer to install with.